Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the location suggestions in Calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down to locate Calendar. So this is this icon right here, and the name Calendar, just tap on that one. Then you want to swipe down to the very bottom and then go with the location suggestions. You just want to turn this feature on to disable it, and now it is on. So you can enable or disable it anytime that you want to. Just tap on the button. Now when it's green it means it is enabled, and now it is disabled. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.